go.
All right, guys, so today we are going to be looking at the decomposition of sodium bicarbonate in lab. We're going to be using stoichiometry in order to predict the theoretical yield of our sodium carbonate. And then we'll ultimately be looking at a percent yield from our lab results. And so first we need to make sure that we're going to take sodium bicarbonate and we're going to mass it out on some weighing paper here. And you can see that I have, it says about 3 grams, so 3.20 grams is not too much. That's going to be okay because it's a rough estimate. You just need to make sure that we record that mass. So we're going to write 3.20 grams down. We have to mass the empty crucible as well. And here we have 10.73 grams.
It wasn't zeroed out.
Whoops, wasn't zeroed, never mind. Got to redo this. 11.74 grams. Sorry about that. Made a silly mistake. And the mass of the crucible and the sodium bicarbonate together, 14.94 grams. So we're gonna have to come over and heat this on the Bunsen burner. We have our Bunsen burner set up. The clay triangle is gonna hold the crucible in place. And we do want to heat the crucible slowly at first and then with a stronger flame. And that's so we make sure that we don't crack the clay crucible right away. We want to bring it up to temperature. And so we're going to make sure that the bottom of that flame is a little more gentle. And we'll raise that Bunsen burner flame up here in a few minutes. And so what's happening here, the heat is encouraging the decomposition of the sodium bicarbonate. And after about 30 seconds or so of heating it here, we'll be able to raise the temperature up. So now we're going to heat this with a stronger flame for the next 7 to 8 minutes. Okay, while that's happening, you guys should be working on the pre-lab, and you can start making calculations of your theoretical yield as this is heating and decomposing. And then in the next video here, we will come back and we'll be able to observe the final mass and ultimately figure out our percent yield from our actual yield in the lab. So we're gonna heat this gently here for the next 7 to 8 minutes, and we'll come back and go back with it